Hey everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. If you're watching this tutorial the day that I post it, so Wednesday the 18th of September, Stampin' Up! Has free shipping. So I wanted to make sure and let you know that. It's with a qualifying order. If you are in the US, it's $75. If you spend $100 with me, then you get my normal hostess gifts, and you can head to my website to see what my thank you gifts are for this month. At $50, you get the tutorial bundle. Oh, I don't have a card here. I have my October tutorial card sitting here because I just finished working on that. But you'll get the September one that is, it's called Create With Us International. There's 14 demonstrators, and we all do a project, and then we all put them together in a really fabulous PDF. So you get that free at $50. But just today, on free shipping day, if you spend $100 with me, you'll get the other things as well. But you will get a packet of the peppermint gems because I have 8 spare packets, and I know they're on back order. So I know some of you are really eager to get them. So spend $100, and I will get them into the mail to you Friday morning. We'll drop them at the post office before we fly out on Friday as we leave for our vacation. So I wanted to make sure that you knew about the free shipping. So then the next few videos I have are going to be cards that use the templates. So I just posted one. It was from last month because I recorded it ages ago and it just never got posted. Sometimes they kind of get lost in there. But I just got together with my friends yesterday, and so I have tons of new projects to show you. I'm going to do the tutorial on mine, and then I will show you the ones that we made of theirs. Before I start, though, I wanted to show you the cute little box that's in this year's holiday catalog. Here it is, covered in the sentimental paper. My friend Tanya made this. I will do some kind of a tutorial with it. I have some ideas, but they all take a little bit longer. And when you're, the doorbell could ring at any time because I have a post pickup scheduled because I have almost 90 pounds of packages that are all classes. So Triad class and card club are all going out today. So that's been the focus of my time. And I'm 80% done with the videos, filming them. And then I have to edit the ones that I haven't done yet. I have a lot of that to do. So, I'm going to rely on this, and when I get creative, it will be when we get home from vacation. So, but this is a super cute little box. You can see they're so easy to go together, and then you can just cover them with paper. And then she made this using the bow template. So it's the take a bow, little suite in the catalog. That's the die and the paper. This is not the paper that goes with it because you can use it with any paper, but you can make adorable little bows as well. You could put the bow on top of this. But she made the cute little medallion, so I'm not going to be putting it on that one. So let's do today's tutorial super fast. It's more just showing you how we have been doing it. Well, mine is super fast. Maybe one of them was as fast as mine. I did a fast one. So we get together once a month, and we had been picking templates from the annual catalog, and then the holiday catalog came out, and it has templates, and there were probably be some in the January mini. I don't know. So we've been doing 2 cards from the annual, and then we decided to add a tag from the holiday catalog. So at some point, I showed you the first ones that I did in a video. It may be the video that posted this yesterday. It's been so long since I made that. I don't remember what I showed in that one. But for this month, we went with this one right here. So we each take this template, and then we kind of reimagine it. Some of us take it literal, and on any given week or month when we do it, we do 3 things. We could take 2 super literal and 1 not at all literal and kind of change it all up. So this is the template here, and let me show you what the other girls did. So this one is Lisa's, and it's pretty literal. And this uses the tags out of the airplane paper. So you can see it's a tag, and then the tag out of the airplane paper and the little banner. So it's pretty literal, other than the fact that the tag is a little bit bigger. And then this one is a little bit longer. This is my friend Susan's, and it uses the suite in here that's frozen something, the one that has a really pretty die. So it has the snowflake punch, the modern oval punch, and then the label punch here. And then the stamps from the frozen, it's not frozen tundra, I don't know why that's what I'm thinking, but it's the frozen set, the snowflake set in this year's catalog. And then this one is my friend Tanya's. You are going to love this one if you are taking my not Oh Holy Night, that was last year. Season of Elegance class. It's a free online class I'm offering in October. You have to buy this stuff in September, so it's a perfect chance to buy it on free shipping day. We'll do a version of this in the class. It won't be a tag, but look how beautiful this is. Could that be any more stunningly beautiful? So it's glimmer paper with glimmer paper with glimmer paper with glimmer paper, and those are the dies from the Season of Elegance. I'm like, I just said it. So isn't that pretty though? So super pretty and so sparkly, and it has the folder on it, which you can see more on that side. I'm in person, you can see it. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera. So now let's do mine. Mine's pretty literal. So remember, we're working with this template here. So you may have seen it. I've used it a couple of times. This is one where I used the two-toned paper. And this is the same thing I'm going to do today. So here's the black two-toned paper. Today I'm going to use, I think it's probably pecan, the color. So you can go watch that tutorial. And then here is the actual suite of products that I'm using today. And you can go watch this as well. And then Susan made this for us that uses the paper. So I wanted to use the paper. So I took, this is from Everyday Greetings. I think it's called Season of Greetings. The dies from that. I love this tag because it's nice and large. So I took my tag literal. It's got a different shape. And then here is a piece of the paper from the suite. So I just cut it. You can see it's little on there. The great thing about when we have papers that have lines on them is you can just cut. So let's just pick a line. So there's this kind of short. I made mine a little bit bigger. On this one, I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. So just follow that line. Other side's really cute too, but we're going to put some adhesive back die cuts on it. So I'm going to take my folder. This is the plaid that's from the plaid, or from the holiday catalog. I'm going to stick this in here. And I'm just going to run this through. So let me do this through my cut and emboss machine. So you can see it puts the fun plaid pattern on the two-toned cardstock. So the two-toned cardstock, I guess I'm just going to work on my catalog here, has a white core, which you will have known if you've watched any of my other videos. Stampin' Up's normal cardstock does not have a white core. It's like if you got pecan pie, it's pecan pie all the way through. But because this is two-toned, you can just take this. It's just an emery board. And I'm just going to file this off the top. And then I'm going to flip it around and do the other side as well. And it gives it a nice rustic look, which I think is really nice with this particular suite. And you can do as much or as little as you want. So I'm making this a tag, and I'm thinking you could like make a loaf of pumpkin bread and give it to a family member, a coworker, somebody not feeling well. Maybe an apple pie, something fallish. It's been a zillion degrees here in the Midwest. So I haven't made any pumpkin bread yet, and it's almost the end of September, but you know, I'm not in the mood for pumpkin bread when it's a zillion degrees. So let's move that up. So I wanted it to be a to from. Hopefully we can stamp on this. So I'm going to take my Stampin' Right marker, because I have a very tiny stamp that says to from. And I got it from the Humble Home right here. I love the font. I love this font. It is the one that is on this Merry Christmas, my tutorial for October, for my the tutorial bundle. So I like to use this marker when there's just a little bit of very fine writing, because then you don't get it all over the edges and you're not going to rock it. So you can press harder, make sure you get all those letters without worrying about having ink on the edges. And so this paper is a little bit distressed. I'm going to try to stamp there right where it's distressed the most, because it's a tiny bit lighter. So we just have a fun to from. Then let's just stick that on our tag. This side's super cute too, isn't it? But you can see the to from. And I've already used this side, and I haven't used this side. And what a fun color combination. Petal pink and pecan. So we have that, and you can do either side. It just depends on which side you want to do. And then for my embellishments for this, you can see I have this whole suite in here. I didn't get, there's what we call now a workshop kit. It makes scrapbook pages. I did not get that, but I did get this sheet of adhesive back die cuts, and you can see everybody used some when I took them for the shoebox swap that we just did together. So now let's pick one that's still on here, and then I'll show you the one that I did. So let's go with these little trees. So mine's a little bit different. On my other one, it could go through the middle a tiny bit, you know, the literal, because this has the sticker, a background, and then a banner. So on my other one, I pulled one of these longer stickers and went across the top. This one, I'm not going to do that. And then let's grab some linen thread. Actually, this is the essentials pack of. These are super cute though, and all of the images match the paper, or they could be used like this on a tag, or you can use them on a card. You can just use some of them in your scrapbooking if you want. You can cut them apart. You can use the letters to make different words. So we were trying to think of words. The only thing I could think of was slib. I don't think that's a word. I'm sure there's other words if you incorporate autumn into it though, those letters. So just add the tag to the top. So super cute, really easy. Give you one more look at these fun things, and you'll just have to go to my website to see the ones that are missing. So got that. And then of course, everything just needs a little bit of embellishment, right? So I have all of my projects from yesterday sitting here. So all the embellishments are just stacked up. I'm gonna tape all 3 of them. So video, 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 and hope that the postman comes in the middle of a break when I'm downloading something. So let's put one in there. These are the pecan and silver adhesive backed gems, and they are in an online exclusive. So you don't find them in the catalog, but you can find them on my website. So that couldn't be any simpler, right? The other fun thing that you could do with this, if you don't want to bake, but you do scrapbook, this you wouldn't put to from, but you could put your memory keeping or your title for the page or just a blurb about what the pictures are, and just put this next to the picture. So here's my other one. You can see this one had more of the thing across the middle. But you only get so many of those. You want to see them all again? So here is the one that is most like the pattern in the catalog. And then, oh, I have 2 of those because my daughter wasn't with us yesterday. She is on a trip. So some people made them for her. She's normally part of our group. So we have one less this month because we have one less person. So here you go. Everybody have a great day. Remember, free shipping, and then come back and watch the other cards in the series that I have for you. The other 2 are cards, not tags. Have a great one. Bye.